Hello everybody out there on YouTube. This is Jefferson723 here, and I am doing a video on how to replace normal bulbs or anything else for a 88 through 98 GMC and Chevrolet. What is it? It's like I believe it should be like for the C trucks, Suburbans, Denali's, SUVs, Sierras, pickups, 25, 15, 3500 C and Ks, I believe. I don't know, I could be talking out my ass here, but anyways, I'm just showing like for normal just reasons, and since nobody else out on YouTube that I saw video wise can even show what I'm trying to do here. I was just driving normally beginning of this winter of 2014. My lights started going out, and like pretty much they all went out, and I couldn't see for shit here in Illinois. You know how dark the winter gets. But anyways, I was trying to figure it out, and I was like, I have blue LEDs for my gauge cluster, which I'm gonna make another video on how to fix that too. But anyways, I was like, I have a blue scheme going on, except for above normal bright white LEDs. But anyways, blue LEDs my main theme in my truck, and I wanted to keep that throughout everything. And I said, trying to figure out how I could do that with the climate control panel, or AC, whatever you want to call this little doodad. And so I figured out I actually had to buy a couple of different size bulbs, like I said, because nobody out there before said anything. I cannot think of the bulb size number off the top of my head, but I will take a screenshot and I'll either add it into this video, or I'll put in the description of this video the size of the bulb, where I got it, and pretty much or how much it usually will cost. But anyways, I just want to show you just how to change it. It's really easy. It's plug and play, just like everything else out there. All you do is, like, it usually sits in there. You gotta take your normal panel off, which I have sitting up there. Pop everything out. You grab, what is it? Where is it at? Normal flathead screwdriver. You just stick it in the sides, pull gently, pull out so you don't break the tabs on the side here and there. And you just pull this out all nice and gently. And then back here, up top here, if I can get a better view. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and all you do is just pull out the old ones, put the new ones in. And at this point in time, what I did is I checked to see, I took all the old ones out. I did it one at a time, and if it didn't light up, I just took the LED and I turned it, 180 degrees, and then you put it in, see if it works again. And then instead of trying to get it in there with my fingertips, you can stick a flathead screwdriver. Let's see if that'll focus. There's a little slit, I really can't see it. But you can put a flathead screwdriver in there and just turn it and make it a little bit more tighter. It's a direct fit. It looks pretty good in my opinion. And you just do that to all 4 of them. I might mess around a little bit later, see if I can change any more lights out. But at this point in time, that's the only light I really have to do. And in just 1 second I'll install it and I'll show you what it looks like lit up. Alright, I got everything back together now, and oh boy, I understand this. I don't know what happened. It's been doing it since I've been taking this pan off sometimes, so I'm going to the junkyard soon, so I'm probably just gonna buy another one. Who gives a shit about this, right? It goes back together pretty easily, but I don't feel like doing it, especially if I'm about to take this off in a few days. But anyways, this is what it's gonna look like. It's kind of like looking like a little purplish, I guess, even in this video. In person, it's not like a very bright blue. But whatever. I mean, like, I'm happy with it. Let me turn this light off. Yeah, I mean, it looks purple, but I mean, I guess even these gauges kind of look purple in this video. But I'm telling you that it is all blue. But anyways, don't do what I did before. I bought the wrong size, and I pretty much just electrical taped those bitches in there. Ghetto rigged the fuck out of it. I'll just put the bulbs so they're making connection and just tape the shit out of them. But anyways, don't do what I did, and try not to break a clip, because I guess I broke a clip. So yeah, for now. And then I have a problem, which I'm gonna try to fix here, is these lights, they'll flicker when I'm driving. Like this little section right here and over here. So I'll be trying to find something to figure out what fixes that, and I will post a video as soon as I do. But other than that, that is my little tutorial on how to replace these lights, and now these won't flicker, and you're set and all ready to go. So yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time.